Rebuilding gearboxes with GearWorld. Today we have a Falk Gearbox repair tutorial. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Some gearboxes come to us in the worst shape imaginable, but we offer free pickup and delivery with every gearbox job. Regardless of the condition of your gearbox, GearWorld is always able to revitalize and bring your gearbox back to like-new conditions that meet or exceed the OEM specifications. We also offer free inspections for every job that comes into our shop. If a part has a long back order or is hard to find, GearWorld has the capabilities to reverse engineer and fabricate a new part for you in-house. During the gearbox inspection, we pinpoint every single problem and come up with a cost-effective and efficient solution to repair your gearbox. Every gearbox is thoroughly cleaned, sandblasted, and repainted to bring new life into your equipment. We replace all bearings and seals, and our mechanics are Falk and Timken certified. Once your gearbox is rebuilt and passes our quality assurance program, we prepare the gearbox for shipment back to you. Thank you for watching this Falk Gearbox tutorial. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel.